Hi friends, hope you're all staying safe out there in the current situation. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a minimal lockdown quarantine makeup. So every day I'm not wearing makeup, I'm being honest, I'm not wearing makeup. I can rarely get out of bed and brush my teeth, but I am planning on filming a few videos after this one, so I thought I need to look as good as it's gonna get without putting too much effort in. So yeah, this is gonna be a minimal quarantine makeup. So I've moisturised. First thing I'm gonna do is use the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray, just to put a base or prime on. And then I'm going to take this Lush Feeling Younger Skin Tint, and basically it just reflects the light once you've put it on, and I will just put a tiny bit of that everywhere just to look a bit more youthful. Look at that bad boy. That come up after doing my last makeup tutorial. My skin isn't liking makeup, but if you'd like to see the last makeup tutorial that I did, it was a full glam quarantine makeup, that will be linked below. Go check it out. So when you look like Tin Man, you're good to go. Move on to either your BB cream or foundation, and I am using the e.l.f. BB cream, and this is in the shade Fair. And I'm running out of this big time. I think I've even got enough there, so I'm literally just going to use this tiny amount, and then just dot everywhere, and then just rub that in, and then we're going to do a beauty blender over the top. Beauty blender and just dab into place. And as you can tell, it's not a lot, but it just makes you feel like you've put something on, but without going too heavy. That's what I feel like anyway. And then I'm just going to use a dash of concealer, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, and this is full coverage, so I'm only going to be using a little bit. And I'm going to go back in with my beauty blender. I'm not going to set my face with any powder because I want my concealer and BB cream to just move with me through the day, and I don't want it to look cakey, I want it to keep that glow. And let's face it, I'm not going to be wearing it for that long, so going to go in with the MUA bronzer, and this is in Sunset Tan. So give yourself looking, you've got a little bit of a tan, that you've not been stuck indoors for weeks. And then going in with blusher, I'm going to take the Clove and Hallow Hydrogen in Georgia and just whack some of that on. The more blush, the better for an everyday look, in my opinion. And then you just get a plain brush and buff it out. Dab some over the nose, just to look a bit cheeky. Like so. And then once the blusher's done, I'm just going to take a little bit of highlighter and This is the Milani Afterglow in 01 strobe light. Just a tiny bit here, just a backward C shape. Then take your beauty blender and just blend that out. So it's just not a white line. And then I'm just going to take the Makeup Revolution Loose Setting Powder. I'm just going to dab that over my eyes. I don't want any eyeshadow today, so I'm just going to dab that on top, so any of the concealer that we've put on won't crease, or won't crease straight away, like so. Then eyebrows. I will just be brushing them up as I have quite full eyebrows. You can fill in your eyebrows here if you're following this video. So I will just be brushing them up and putting some NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel on to keep them looking fluffy. And then I'm just going to go ahead and curl my eyelashes and put on the Aldi Lacura mascara. I got this one in Aldi over Christmas. It literally doesn't say what it is, but it is like a mini one. And it reminds me of the Smashbox mini mascara that they've got. That's why I like it so much. And then for lips, I'm not going to put any lipstick on. I'm just going to put some lip balm. So just grab any lip balm that you have to hand. And I'm just going to moisturise them up. So there you have it, a very minimal lockdown quarantine makeup. So you look fresh and alive if you have to answer the door to anyone, or you're just chilling around the house, etc. But you don't look too overdone and be like, what are you doing? You know? So I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.